Exercise 13. Dégagé en croix, demi-plié, fifth position. Balance, coup-de-pied, derrière. All right, now we're going to work from fifth, and we're going to start with the demi-plié, and you're going to have a dégagé, all right? And you want to check your balance there, okay? Then point it. Now we're going to shift, all right? So we're going to go on this side. There's your plié. So I want you to identify that shoulder and that hip, all right, that you've changed the leg. Find the balance, put it down, bring it up. Now change to this leg. We're going to keep changing legs, all right? Because that's what you have to do when you dance, all right? And you're out here, okay? Then put it now. You have a little balance, and we call this position here where your foot is, you see it's below the calf, okay? This is the cou-de-pied. So we're wrapped around your ankle, but it's in back, all right? And this is derrière, it's in back, all right? Cou-de-pied. So you have a short balance there, and you're going to feel your turn out. Put it down. Then you probably need to adjust your spacing to the bar, so just walk closer to the bar, you know. All right, then you do it again. 1, 2, 3, and you can point this, cross it. 4, 5, 6. Then as you bring it under, 7, start, see, getting onto this leg. So you anticipate as you plie, right, that you're already starting to put your weight in that foot. So that's very important that you're learning, okay, to shift your weight. All right, and now I'm thinking this side, shift the weight, okay? Feel this side, the weight down there, this goes out there, then you're going to rest it, you're going to place it, easy to balance, and you can get off your heel, all right? All right, now we're going to do it with Jennifer, and let's have the music. So it's slow, it's going to keep flowing, and ready, plie, 1, brush, and you're up to balance, all right, put it down, and close it. Now shift the weight, plie, push down, and you're up. All right, and there's your balance. All right, close it, change leg, and plie, push down. Second, good for that side. All right, now put it on the floor, tendu. Now bring it in back, coup-de-pied derrière. Right, that's it, right below your calf. It's nicely there. Good. Then just put it down, rest, and adjust your distance to the bar. You probably have to do that. Let's begin on this side. Plie, push down, out. There's your balance. You want to think of this hip staying back, all right? And change leg. Plie. Now we need this shoulder, all right? Away from the toe, all the way up, ears up, all right? Now we need this shoulder. We're thinking from here, down and out, all right? The hip, the shoulder, good. Tendu. Coup-de-pied, derrière. All right, put it back, all the way back. All right, square. Good. Let's do it again. Walk in to adjust your distance to the bar. And plie. Push. You're pointing. Can you get off the heel? All right. Let's just add that each time. Plie. Push. Off the heel, up the neck. All right. Good. In. On the right. Plie, push, good. Feel the energy on this side, off the heel, watch the square. Okay, easy, coup-de-pied, back. You can round your arms in first. Just check off the heel again, always off the heel. All right, good. And adjust your distance and open, plie, push, turning out. Good, ears don't look far away. All right, change and plie. Push. Good. Feel this side of your body. All right. Good. Because you're always trying to find your balance, right? See if you can have that same turnout. Number 1. Watch the hip level. Good. Okay. All right. Now, when you place your foot here, just kind of rest. Feel like you're resting. You're turned out. It's placed, but it's easy. It should feel easy. Good. Okay. All right. And close in fifth. And rest. Rest. Good. Okay, we're starting to dance now.